Hello everyone, my name is Martha, daughter of Susai. My metric number is CE190044. Now I want to explain about the FILA table of our project. Modulation transmitter, the information is added to the radio signal by varying its amplitude. AM radio are relatively easy to detect with simple equipment even if the signal is not very strong. AM is easier to implement and that wave can travel a longer distance. Ideas: filtering also can reduce noise error in the signal. Make sure the frequency range is within the frequency range in between 550 kHz until 1720 kHz. By increasing the audio power available to modulate the carrier, we can increase the distance over which the station can be picked up by a receiver. Learning issues. AM is more susceptible to noise because noise affects amplitude, which is where information is stored in an AM. The input signal is too weak to travel long distance. It requires a very high bandwidth that is equivalent to that of the highest audio frequency.
Hi, my name is Kalevani, daughter of Palanisamy. My metric number CE180067. Now I'm going to explain about the methodology of our project. Now I'm going to talk about the methodology of our AM transmitter and receiver project. Amplitude modulation is a modulation technique used in electronic communication, most commonly for transmitting messages with a radio carrier wave. In amplitude modulation, the amplitude of the carrier wave is varied in proportion to that of the message signal, such as an audio signal. AM transmitter block diagram. The audio signal from the output of the microphone is sent to the preamplifier, which boosts the level of the modulating signal. The RF oscillator generates the carrier signal. Both the modulating and the carrier signal is sent to AM modulator. Power amplifier is used to increase the power level of AM wave. This wave is finally passed to the antenna to be transmitted. Next will be the AM receiver's explanation. It should be cost effective. It should receive the corresponding modulated waves. The receiver should be able to tune and amplify the desired station. It should have an ability to reject the unwanted stations. Demodulation has to be done to all the station signals, irrespective of the carrier signal frequency.
Hi everyone, my name is Mishna Kanti Permal and my metric number is DE180011, and now I will present about methodology of our project. AM receiver, it should be cost effective. It should receive the corresponding modulation wave. The receiver should be able to tune and amplify the derested station. It should have an ability to reject the unwanted station. Demodulation has to be done to all the station signal, irrespective to all the carrier signal frequency. RF mixing. The RF mixing unit develops an intermediate frequency to which any received signal is converted, so as the process of the signal is effectively. RF mixer is an important stage in the receiver. Two signals of different frequency are taken where one signal level affects the level of the other signal to produce the resultant mix output. Amplitude modulation achieved. Amplitude modulation is a process of varying the amplitude of carrier signal in accordance with the amplitude of the message signal. Amplitude modulation signal can be produced by adding the carrier signal and passing the resultant signal through a square low device, for example FET. Then the signal from the square low device is passes through band pass filter to allow only the signals canted at carrier frequency to pass. The output of the band pass filter is low amplitude and transmitted by the antenna.
Hi guys, I am Jitan Ravi. My metric number is CE200011. I'm here to explain about Gantt of our project.
First week and second week is about course and assignment briefing. Then group discussion is all in third week from 12th week 12. Then group presentation also is at week 4. Then project work will be held in week 5 until week 12. Then submission report 1 and 2 is week 6 and week 10 as well. Then the group video and the final report will be held in week 11 and the final report will be in week 13. Thank you.